Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, sports suspension, starter type, motor generator, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, traction control. Come see the car for yourself.